This is a quick review of the TelesPro. This is a 5-kit car washing piece. The center item is this handle here that's got 2 telescopic options that takes it from 5 feet where it's at right now all the way up to 12 feet. So you could actually get a second-story window with this unit. And it's great for car wash. You can get on the roof, you can get the windows, all the spots that you may not be able to get to from the ground. And if you need to, you can do a little scrubbing. All of these have really large threads, so the end right now, I've got the squeegee attachment on there, just unscrews, and then you can screw on your scrubber attachment if you want to, or you have this other option, which is kind of your hand. So everybody's kind of used to the hand mitt. This has got a nice, it feels like terry cloth top to it. It's very soft, and it just straps on with a adjustable strap here. So you can pull this off, toss it in the wash if you want to, and then it will screw on to the end of the telescoping pole also. And then I love this hand mitt because not only does it have your terry cloth on one side, but if you flip it over, it's got a little scrubbing. So if you've got dried on bugs or something else, you can apply a little pressure, and it's foam padded, which is really nice. So you don't have to worry about adding too much pressure because the pad will absorb that pressure so you don't scratch your paint. It's a really nice kit. Also comes with a couple of microfiber towels in green, so you can kind of see there's a color theme going on here, and really enjoyed it. It's a really good quality build. It's aluminum, it's lightweight, it's got finger grips, and it's, I don't know what kind of foam it is, but it's a nice soft foam, so you can go ahead and grip it. And it's just really easy to telescope with these quick latch systems. And then of course, like I said, if you want to spin it off, it's really easy to add attachments. The one area where I did have issues with this is going to be in tighter confined spaces, being a 5-foot pole. This is going to be kind of long in some areas. I think a nice add-on is going to be a shorter pole. You know, when you go to the gas station, you just need a short squeegee. That would be really nice as an option, but you could always go down to the hardware store and get one of those because it's a standard thread for it. Overall, super excited, very happy with the product. Currently, at the time of this recording, it has 5 stars on Amazon.